What would you do if telling the truth could destroy everything in your life? Would you still speak the truth, or would you stay silent to protect your job, your comfort, and your future? Sometimes life gives us moments where a single decision can change everything. A moment when we must choose between what is easy and what is right. This is the story of a man who faced that moment. A man who discovered that the truth can be painful, but it also has the power to change a life forever. Michael lived in a quiet town with his wife Olivia and their little son Ethan. Their life was not rich or luxurious, but it was peaceful and full of love. Michael worked as an accountant in a private company. His job was to manage financial records and make sure every number was correct. Michael was known as a hard-working and honest employee. His colleagues trusted him because he always completed his work carefully. He believed that honesty was the most important quality a person could have. Every morning, Michael woke up early. He usually sat at the kitchen table drinking coffee while Olivia prepared breakfast. Ethan often ran around the house laughing and playing. Before leaving for work, Michael always hugged his son. Ethan would smile and say, "Have a good day, Dad." Those simple moments were the most valuable part of Michael's life. One ordinary afternoon at the office, Michael was checking financial reports like he did every day. Papers were spread across his desk, and his computer screen was filled with numbers. While reviewing one report, something unusual caught his attention. A number did not match the previous record. At first, Michael thought it might be a typing mistake. Small errors sometimes happened in financial work, but something about this record felt strange. Michael opened another file and checked the numbers again. The difference was still there. He started examining more reports, comparing transactions carefully. Minutes passed. Then, nearly an hour passed. Slowly, Michael began to understand that this was not a small mistake. A large amount of company money had been transferred to another account. His heart began to beat faster. This kind of transaction should not happen without official approval. Michael continued following the records step by step, trying to understand where the money had gone. Finally, he found the transaction details. And there it was. The name connected to the transfer. When Michael read the name, he froze. The transaction had been approved by his department manager, Mr. Robert. Mr. Robert was a respected and powerful man in the company. He had worked there for many years and had strong influence. Many employees admired him, but some were also afraid of him. Michael leaned back in his chair, feeling confused and nervous. He asked himself a difficult question. What should he do? If he reported this discovery, it could create serious problems. His manager might become angry and make his life difficult. But if he stayed silent, he would be hiding the truth. Michael tried to continue working, but his mind could not focus on anything else. Later that afternoon, a message appeared on his computer. Mr. Robert wanted to see him in his office. Michael's heart immediately felt heavy. He stood up slowly and walked toward the manager's office. Every step felt uncomfortable. When he entered the office, Mr. Robert was sitting behind his desk looking calm and confident. The door closed quietly behind Michael. Mr. Robert looked at him carefully. "You were reviewing the financial records today," he said. Michael nodded slightly. Then Mr. Robert spoke again. "I believe you noticed a certain transaction." The room became very quiet. Michael realized that his manager already knew what he had discovered. Mr. Robert leaned back in his chair and spoke in a calm voice. Sometimes companies move money for different business reasons. These things are normal. Michael understood what he was trying to say. Mr. Robert did not want the situation to become public. Then the manager smiled slightly. "You are a smart man, Michael," he said. "If you forget about this matter, your future here will be very bright." He paused for a moment and added another sentence. "You could receive a promotion and a much better salary." Michael felt pressure building inside his chest. More money could help his family, a promotion could improve his life. But deep inside, something felt wrong. Michael returned home that evening feeling very troubled. Olivia immediately noticed that something was bothering him. "You seem worried," she said gently. Michael sat down and remained silent for a few moments. Then he told her everything that had happened at work. Olivia listened carefully without interrupting him. After Michael finished explaining the situation, the room became quiet. Finally, Olivia asked a simple question. "What does your heart tell you to do?" Michael looked down at the floor. "My heart tells me the truth should be told," he said softly. Olivia nodded slowly. "Then you already know the right decision." But Michael was still afraid. If he told the truth, he might lose his job. Without his job, supporting his family would become difficult. Fear and honesty were fighting inside his mind. That night, Michael could not sleep. He kept thinking about the situation again and again. He imagined staying silent and continuing his normal life. But he also imagined the guilt he would feel every day. Early in the morning, before the sun had fully risen, Michael sat quietly in the living room, thinking about his father. When Michael was a child, his father often told him something important. "A good life is built on truth," his father used to say. Those words echoed in his mind. Finally, Michael understood what he had to do. Later that morning, he went to work like usual, but inside, he felt nervous. The office looked the same as always. People were working, talking, and drinking coffee. No one knew about the difficult decision Michael had made. After sitting at his desk for a few minutes, he stood up. He walked toward the office of the company director. His hands felt slightly cold. He knocked on the door. "Come in," a voice replied. Michael entered and sat down. The director looked at him with curiosity. "Yes, Michael, what can I do for you?" Michael took a deep breath. Then he began explaining everything he had discovered in the financial records. He showed the documents and explained the unusual transactions. The director listened very carefully. His expression slowly became serious. When Michael finished speaking, the director thanked him for bringing the matter forward. Within a few days, the company began a full investigation. More financial records were examined, several employees were questioned. Gradually, the truth began to appear. Mr. Robert had secretly taken company money many times during the past few years. The news shocked many people in the company. Eventually, the investigation was completed. Mr. Robert was removed from his position. Some employees were surprised, while others quietly said they had suspected something was wrong. Michael felt nervous about what might happen next. He wondered if people would blame him for exposing the truth. A few days later, he received another message. The company director wanted to see him again. Michael walked into the office with mixed feelings. But this time, the director greeted him with a warm smile. "Michael," he said, "I want to thank you." Michael looked surprised. The director continued speaking. "You had the opportunity to stay silent and protect yourself. Many people would have done that, but you chose honesty instead." He paused for a moment. "People like you are rare." Then the director said something unexpected. "A company needs leaders who value truth and integrity. I would like to offer you a promotion." Michael could hardly believe what he was hearing. "You will become the new head of the finance department," the director said. For a moment, Michael felt speechless. He had expected difficulties and problems. Instead, honesty had brought him respect and trust. That evening, Michael returned home feeling peaceful. Ethan ran toward him happily and hugged him tightly. Olivia looked at Michael and immediately understood that something important had happened. "Did you tell the truth?" she asked. Michael smiled and nodded. Then he explained everything that had happened. Olivia felt proud of him. She gently held his hand and said something wise. The truth may be difficult for a moment, but a lie can create problems for a lifetime. Michael realized that day that truth has a special power. Sometimes telling the truth feels risky. Sometimes it feels like it could destroy everything. But in reality, truth builds something much stronger than lies. Truth builds trust. And trust is more valuable than money or power. From that day forward, Michael continued his life with confidence and honesty. His colleagues respected him even more than before, and every evening when he returned home and saw his family smiling, he felt thankful that he had chosen the path of truth. Because in the end, truth may test our courage, but it always leads us toward respect,